Hatliniwa Kisanko, Ward 52, is making a cleaning campaign on the Freedom Day because it wants to make sure that the kids during the Freedom Day they are not affected on environmental unhealthy. So Sanko is combating on clean gas.
Yes, we introduce you, Mr. Mitchell, sister.
Treasure ya Ward 52. And then Jessica Ili Freedom Day. He organized the donation from the Spicer shops for it's a cleaning campaign. Busy cleaning campaign
donations kuwena handle and
yes, sebesana le di organizer tsa Sanko ya re sebeletsa community jaanong di donations re ditotsi from the business owners tsa di spicer shop around Ward 52.
Hello. Ka bosi ke bona ntse le tsa mosebetsi o motle. So ne kopa lona le re brief abona tse brief update abona ka mosebetsi lo etsa especially today as a holiday ka reng a se utlile jwang ho be le mosebetsi o ka mo Ward 52.
Okay, we from Sanko actually I'm an organizer. Okay. And then we decided to clean our community because we see the community it's dirty and we've got kids and for the grounding the grounding to Ibonagali is not in the proper way. So we decided to clean, but still we need uxhaso ngemishini because thina siyachangela sifika lapho sifika khona siyabutha but design utshani still abantu besoza dumping site until we get sponsor isizosponsor ngezinto zokuhwaya laphayana and then we try to get utshani obu-right sizokhona ukusenza iphakhi yabantwana to prevent it the crime since ikolo zivaliwe so sibathathile abantwana siklina nabo ukuthi from tomorrow bazobe badlala ibhola ngale to keep them busy and safe. So now we need to organize abantu abazosipha izinto zokujima utshani sizoyenza i-proper park and then there's utshani obukhulu ngale that side laphayana sinemkunzi kakhulu so angeke sikhona ukuthi sikhwaye thina ngamaharafu sidinga imitshini i-BET ezosiza.
Hope umele ka fika go batho ba right ba khona go thusana ka tsone di thusitse so fa go tla ka tsama go bona mo ntse di sebetsa teng okay thank you very much
thank you
sicela nemishini yokujima
mina ngicela
ipaki yethu sikwazi ukuthi sibe nama activities esiwayenzayo ipaki yethu silungise yonke into kube kuhle kuzoba khona abantu abazogada abantu bestrada bakhona abantu bala elokishini bakhona bangabuya abazogada basibhekele imishini yethu bazobe basifakele yona because lento eyenzwa la ayikho imishini yethu iyashoda asina lutho siyazama ukuthi siziphumele njengomphakathi sigade sibheke ukuthi kuyaqinwa abalahlela udoti abayenzi nix sigada namakasa le eza nodoti senze sho ukuthi sime emagate nasebusuku siyabheka baka asinaqhaso at least kube bekuzoba khona something nyana bebazosponsora ngayo at least ama-patrollers wethu abe na something ayidobhayo wona lawo ma-10 rand 50 rand abanye abantwana bakhuthale babeka isinto etafuleni because nama-equipment ukuthi sisebenze ngawo ebusuku asifuni ibhamu just sifuna something amathoshi ama-reflector i-uniform nje e-right ukuthi sibe right sikwazi ukuthi sigade kahle ilokishini lethu siyabonga
ubonga thina sisho thank you very much Nika Ausuaka yabona kimo usuntolo Sanko hapa Ausuaka as always until mabolo for the community Ausuaka kupa ko jetso ka jin hanta to etsa la nje ndio honors
today we decided at least re get route na clean tsale ka mo parking ka hapa so se re ka mo di shopong jwale
se so ona Jessica o kina lutwa o shota bo di tools dintho tse jwalo eno o ba di proposals o bo le batho ba ntse ba thusa ka ba le boang hona nje singasho ukuthi hayi sibonga abantu bani uyakhipha ne-15 yana ukuthi kudliwe for drink.
Sibongile kakhulu sabonga abantu bala ama-shop sesazama ukuboleka kubo basinceda ngalabo abasinceda ngakhona sazakhona ukuthenga amahariki. Yes, so namhlanje ke ekuseni bathe basibona abantu bebhola ngapha eground ukuthi siyaklina bazama ukusenzela
i-donation nabo
sikwazi ukuthi sidle simsiceda
sibabonge sister Ngelama.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Nathi sibonga umsebenzi omuhle oyenza namanye amakasi sibaba recognize from la nina niseta a good example ukuthi nabo bayenze same thing esiyenza ngapha siswami. Siyabonga siswami sisilobona in progress kwenza la
nathi.
Hello, the guy I'll see everything else. I can't go on until the busy man. So let's see how food so feel joang jiska unkile ni tisi o manje utuka ospana ka jeni and which is in trend lejo ka njutsa manje I2 I3 lo ga purpose lo go tsuwe wena ska nka holiday go lo tawa jiska batho ba bang wena o tloka o cleaner ke eng e o ka ileng kumfiwa o soka.
Into enyenza ngivuke ngikline ngifuna ikasi lami ihlale licocekile ngaso sonke isikhathi abantu mabefika ekasi bafike koklini yele nto ndiye nami ndathatha inxaxheba kule cleaning campaign siyenza singabahlali basewathi ikasi lethu.
Siswama sibonga kakhulu siswama ne and keep it going sister Ngelama ne
and uze sibe kanjalo nje bemseke ngale cleaning campaign yi-deputy chairman kwi-branch aseward 52 eSanco
okuTsanko ne
cleaning campaign ba mayiphumelele ngelanga lanamhlanje because of siyayicinga uba yile holiday ye-freedom day sabona masizibonakala sokukhululeka kwethu ukuba siphume singene emphakathini sihle.
Siyabonga sister Ngelama ne thank you very much and keep it going siswami ne.
Ubonga mina.